Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the heater support bracket in your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because the bracket is damaged or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a flathead screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind, we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. So we'll open up our dishwasher door here, and we're going to take out the bottom rack. And these two pieces on the bottom here are going to be our heating element support brackets. So if you've got one that's damaged, in order to remove it, you're just going to simply take it and twist it about 90 degrees. And then once you've got it twisted, you should be able to pull it out and remove it just like that. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement heater support bracket, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we'll put the bracket back in, and we're going to line it up, and on the bottom there you'll see there's a small dot and a cross right there. So you're going to line those up with the parts in the bracket. There's a small hole right there for the dot and the square for the cross, and then you put it in there and you give it a nice twist, and that locks it into place. And now we'll put our dish rack back into place here. Push that in, close up your door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.